Continue following the road ahead. Soon you'll get to a roundabout. At the roundabout, take the second exit ahead. Wasn't too bad, well done, not bad. Soon you'll approach another roundabout. At the roundabout, ahead, second exit. Every time I give you an instruction, repeat the instruction back to me.
So
Okay?
that you know that.
So I know you've heard me.
I'm being guided. Second exit, yeah.
Second exit, please. And take the next road on the left again, please.
The upcoming one.
Yes, this one here, please, yes. At the end of the road, turn left. Then at the roundabout ahead, second exit. So at the end of the road, turn left. At the roundabout ahead, second exit.
The second exit, right?
Please, ahead, second exit. Just stop your socket. Now do whatever you need to do. Don't worry about us, and don't worry about me putting your brake on.
Yeah,
That's fine.
No, that's an emergency vehicle.
Yeah. So you did nothing wrong. It's not counted. It's not an issue for you. You're driving perfectly fine. Soon you'll approach a roundabout. At the roundabout, left, first exit, please. So left, first exit. And we're now taking the next road on the right, please.
Sorry, can you explain that again, please?
It's just after the bollard. So just after the yellow thing.
I have to take a right.
Yes, take the next road on the right, please. Put that in the box.